All right, everybody, so for this part of the haircut, this step, we're going to be cutting the side section to match the length of the back. So we're gonna pull this down, and I might need to wet it again. Having wet hair, I'm not sure if I mentioned this to you guys, but having wet hair ensures the consistency of the haircut. So if you have some pieces of hair that are dry and some that are wet, it's not gonna be consistent. You're gonna end up having weird lengths all throughout the haircut. So making sure that the hair is consistently damp throughout is going to ensure that you have a nice even haircut. Alrighty, so that's all wet down again, sorry. So what we're gonna do is I am going to be evening this side section to the back length. So again, I kind of said this, people's hair grows differently, so don't worry if you feel like you're taking larger pieces off of some parts of the haircut, because that's okay. As long as you're making it even with the hair that you've cut previously, you're gonna be fine. Don't worry, you're not gonna be cutting weird chunks out of people's hair. So I'm gonna try to get a good angle here. Alrighty. So here's the back section here, and here's the part that I want to cut off. So I'm gonna need to pull that straight down, and I'm gonna cut that. Using my fingers as a guide and not going over the second knuckle, I'm just gonna keep moving with the fall of the hair and keep cutting as I go around the shoulders here. So as you can see here, it seems like I'm cutting off way more right here than I am anywhere else. Alrighty. Alright, so that is evening up the sides with the back. And then for our next step, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be double checking the haircut. So I'll be able to show you some tips on how to double check the length and make sure that everything is consistent all the way around. So stay tuned for that.